Are you feeling stuck with your creativity? That sometimes you can feel like you're lost or you're uninspired or you're in a creative rut? I've been there, and sometimes it can be hard to get out of it. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how I use stamping patterns by using everyday objects in the house to just revitalize your paintings. So, let's dive in.
Here we have my tools. This is from a jewelry cleaner. I have bubble wrap, a jar opener, I have a cork, some toy, a real stamp, corrugated board, and this is another corrugated board, just cut. I have sponge, and this is fabric. It's a tool, fabric. And then this one is part of a placemat. It's plastic, but I love the design. These are paint tube. These are paint tube caps. Some cover for other things. And then this is a stencil that I found lying around in my cabinet. Now we have the paints that we're going to use. Primary cyan, phthalo green, Hansa yellow, and titanium white. Later on, I'm going to bring in naphthol red light and just mix it into the painting. So let's begin. Just put some paint on a support, and I'm going to use it as my palette, and just going to start stamping away. Enjoy.
there you have it. Stamping is done. I enjoyed the process and I encourage you to try it as well. As it is just very much like an abstract, it could look nice this way, it could look nice this way, it could look nice this way, and that way. Which is your favorite? Let me know. Anyway, this is how I painted it, and I hope and encourage you to try it. Try stamping with ordinary household objects at home and see where it takes you in your painting. If you like this video, please give me a like. And if you want to see more content like this, subscribe. See you in the next video. Sweet out. Bye for now.